Hey guys, it's Jennifer, or should I say Joker? I hate myself too, it's fine. So, for today's video in the 31 Days of Halloween series, we're gonna be a Jack Nicholson meets Heath Ledger meets Glam Joker. Do we like this? I kind of like how it came out. The good thing about this makeup look is you can be super messy, you can be super you can use your fingers, you can use brushes, you can just mess it up however you want and it's still gonna look right because it's the Joker. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel. I am doing a giveaway at 200 subscribers, but if I hit it sometime in the middle of 31 Days of Halloween, Jennifer in videos won't know, so the giveaway is probably going to be in November if we hit it during this month. If you missed and don't know what 31 Days of Halloween is, I'm doing a different Halloween look all 31 days of October. It's spooky bitch season, okay? It's my time. I'm living my best life out here. I just broke a nail. It's fine, but I hope you guys like the video. I'm gonna stop rambling. Let's get into it. Alright, we're going to start off by priming my face. You don't really have to do that. I just like having a primer down before I put any more makeup on my face. I know it probably doesn't, but it makes it feel like my face is covered a little bit better. Now I'm going to mix a ton of white foundation pigment into my regular foundation, and then I end up doing 3 separate coats, and the last 2 coats are just solid white. I don't like using cream paint, so the majority of my makeup videos this month are going to be using regular makeup you can buy at any drugstore. Be sure to cover your ears and drag it down your neck a little bit. The Joker never really has his neck completely white. It depends on which Joker version you're going for. Some of them, their entire body is white. Some of them, it's actually just face paint. You do you, boo-boo. I want it to drag it down my neck a little bit. There is so much foundation on my face right now. It is positively insane. I felt disgusting. Now I'm taking a white face powder. I found this in the Halloween aisle at my local Walmart. I started to apply it with this brush and I started to realize that it was taking away some of the white pigment I had just spent so freaking long laying down. So I switched to my dampened sponge here in just a second that will add more of a white back into my face. There you go, girlfriend. We're gonna fill in our eyebrows. You can keep your regular shape or you can change it up. I pretty much stuck to my main shape and just blocked it out a little bit more and extended them. I'm also using a taupe brow pencil instead of a darker, more red toned pencil because we're going to be covering it up. I just wanted to get my shape down first. Once you have your shape, I'm going to take any green eyeshadow on a shadowy smudgy brush and fill in my brows to make them green. I also was so not happy with the green shadow, so I ended up shoving a spoolie down into green liquid eyeliner and putting that over the eyebrows just to make my hair stick out a little bit more and to make my brow more green. To start off our eyes, I'm taking a more pinky purple eyeshadow, and because this is the Joker, the messier the freaking better. Your eyes don't have to match, you just want smudgy, smoky, dark eyes. Just go for it. Just blend until your fingers bleed, okay? I'm also adding a few smudges coming off of my eyes. I add some to the other eye here in just a second to make it look more messy. Then I'm going to take a darker, more royal purple and add that over top of the pinky purple just to give more depth and to darken my eye.
Now I'm taking a black to deepen my eye even more, focusing this mainly on my lid and blending it upward and outward and then downward over my whole eye. I don't know why I said it like that. Tightline your eyes using any black eyeliner pencil. I believe mine is from NYX. It doesn't really matter. Now I'm applying a little bit of glitter glue. Y'all, this glitter was supposed to be white with silver reflect, and it definitely is shining orangey coppery, and I don't know why. I end up covering it up. I'm attempting to darken my eye a little bit more with the black, just super smudging everything out. And I'm also going to add it to my forehead and under my cheekbones a little bit, and then smudge it back out with the dampened sponge that has some white powder on it. Even the Joker has some cheekbones, okay? They're important. Next, I'm taking a dark, shimmery purple eyeshadow to try to cover up that glitter a little bit more, and it's really just not working, so the Joker's just gone glam a little bit with the glitter, but it's okay. It's okay. To do my smile, I'm using a Wet n Wild, I think they're called multi-sticks, in a red shade, and I'm pretty much smiling and following the contour of my own smile and just extending it outward and upward. I'm going to fill it in, and then I realized that my smile was not very full on the bottom, so I'm just going back over it and deepening it and widening it. I don't know why I say the things I do. I'm making my smile bigger, y'all. Because that was a cream product, I'm going to take any red eyeshadow and stamp over the cream so it doesn't smear out crazy, and I'm also going to add some on purpose smears so it looks messier, but not a ton. I'm applying black to the center of my lips just to add more depth. Then taking any contour shade, I'm going to shade underneath the smile. And then I realized I don't really like this, so you'll see me here in a second trying to stamp it out a little bit with my sponge. Doesn't work really great. Just skip that step if you want. The Joker probably doesn't wear mascara, but I need it, okay? It's important to me. I'm taking the black again on a bigger, fluffier brush and just darkening my eyes just a little bit more. Like I said, the messier, the freaking better with this makeup. So freaking easy. And that is it for the makeup of this video, and I'm so sorry I'm dancing.
That was it for the Glam Joker, I don't know what I'm calling it yet, look. It was super easy to do, and like I said in the intro, it is so easy because you can make it as messy as you want. My favorite part, low-key, of this entire look is probably my eyebrows. Why don't I have green hair? I've had green hair before, but why don't I have it now is really what I need to know. I might have green hair soon. Just letting you guys know. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel for new Halloween looks all 31 days of October. And when we're out of October, you can watch my regular beauty videos, cleaning videos, home remodeling videos, all the videos. And you can follow me on Instagram. It is always linked down below. And I'm gonna stop rambling because I'm pumped, because I'm the Joker. I'm gonna go fuck something up. Yeah. I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah. I'll see you guys tomorrow. That still sounds so weird to say, but I will see you all tomorrow. Bye, guys.